Now with Super Life World, we have 4 membership package. One is Starter, Star, Supreme, and Super package. Now with this package, a starter package of 250 ringgit, you'll be able to get 1 box of STC30 for free for you to consume. So with a Star, you get 2 boxes. With a Supreme, you get 8 boxes. With Super, you get 24 boxes. Now you also get the product points. With the starter package, you get 50 product points. A Star package, you get 100 product points. A Supreme, you get 400 product points, and a Super, you get 1000 product points. How much will you be able to earn monthly from these 4 various packages? A starter pack, you'll be able to earn 6,345 ringgit monthly as maximum limit. With a Star, you earn 18,900 monthly. With Supreme, you'll be able to earn 86,670 ringgit. And with the Super package, which we consider the best package in Super Life, you can earn millions and it has no limit. It's continuous earnings. So, the 6 basic benefits you get from Super Life World. First one is considered a key-in or registration bonus. So, how does this work? This particular bonus is for only Super package. What this means is for you to be able to register or type someone's information in your phone, you get paid for it, and it is only Super package that have that facility. When you register a starter, the company pays you 6 ringgit 75 cents. When you register a 13 ringgit 50 cents. When you register a Supreme, you get 54 ringgit. And when you register a Super like yourself, you get 135 ringgit. This is just for you to type their information in your phone and you get paid. This money you get paid instantly, not monthly and not weekly, or not even daily. It is instantly. Now 100% of all these bonuses, 85% will go into your e-wallet account in your application. You can track it from your phone. Then 15% will go into your gift point account. Now your gift point account, you can use it for holiday trips. You can use it to buy a laptop if you have a lot of gift points. You can also use it to purchase a phone, and if you have a lot, you can use it to buy a car or buy a house. Now the second type of benefit is called personal sponsor bonus. So this is the amount of money you earn personally when you refer your friends. Don't forget, when you join Super Life, the company asks you to refer minimum of 2 persons. Just minimum of 2 persons. That is the primary requirement of Super Life company. So if you can refer more, it is to your own advantage. So when a Super refer a starter, you get 67 ringgit 50 cents. And this is also a real-time sponsor bonus. You get this payment instantly. When a Super refers a Star, you get 135 ringgit. When a Super package refers a Supreme, 630 ringgit. When a Super refers a Super, you get 1,575 ringgit paid to you on the spot. So if you are a Supreme and you refer a starter, you get 67 ringgit 50 cents. For a Star, you get 135 ringgit. You get 630 ringgit. And you get 720 ringgit. So for a Star package, when a Star refers a starter, you get 67 ringgit 50 cents. A Star refers a Star, 135 ringgit. Refer a Supreme, 270 ringgit. Refer a Super, 360 ringgit. When a starter refers a starter, you get 56 ringgit 25 cents. Sorry. A starter refers a Star, 67 ringgit 50 cents. A starter refers Supreme, 135 ringgit. A starter refers Super, 180 ringgit. This is the amount of money you get paid on the spot when you refer any of these persons to come under you within your perimeters, your profile. Now the third benefit is called pass-up bonus or you rather call it a roll-up bonus, and this is how it works. This bonus is also a real-time sponsor bonus, like instantly you get this payment, not monthly, not weekly, and not daily. When a super introduces a starter, let's take for instance, you introduce a starter, the company will pay you 67 ringgit 50 cents. When this starter goes on and refer his friends, and that person decides to come in with a super because he wants to take advantage of this business, the company will release 1,575 ringgit. But because a starter refers a super, he is only entitled to get 180 ringgit. So what will happen to the balance? The balance will be rolled up to you that is on top of the starter, because his profile is too small and your profile is the best, so you will be able to earn 1,395 ringgit for free. You might not even know this person in question. So this starter is going to not really be happy because he's doing the work and you are benefiting from his job. At this point in time, I always advise my downline to, before you sponsor a super, you have to upgrade, or you just upgrade. A starter has 60 days to upgrade to either Star, Supreme, or Super. A Star package has 90 days to upgrade to Supreme or Super, while a Supreme package has 150 days to upgrade to Super. Now, a Super package you don't need to upgrade, it's a one-time package only. So let's say within this time frame you could not upgrade, you could still upgrade, but the only thing is you have to pay 20% additional processing fee of the package that you are now upgrading to. So that is just the difference. So let's go to the fourth benefit, and that is what we call development pairing bonus. This is the amount of money. This is where you earn. And how does this work? Is kind of a binary system. In Super Life, we only have two legs, so you share with the person on your left and you share with the person on your right, and when they share with their friends, you will just keep earning continuously. So let's see how it works. Let's use a super package for example. You come in with 4,500 ringgit super pack. What do you stand to get? You get 30 product worth 7,020 ringgit for free. Give it to you. Then you download Super Life World app from Google Store or Play Store or Apple Store. You get an international business account. You get a personal ID secret password. You have a register facility for key-in bonus, so you can earn key-in bonus. Then you earn millions monthly, no limit. So you take, for instance, you introduce your first person on your left. By introducing the first person and you put it on your left leg, the company will pay you a sponsor bonus of 1,575 ringgit. That's the amount assigned whenever you sponsor a super. You get an additional amount of key-in bonus. Remember, when you type someone's information, you get paid. You get key-in bonus of 135 ringgit. Now, when you introduce another prospect from your right and put that person on your right leg, you get a sponsor bonus of 1,575 ringgit. You get a key-in bonus also of 135 ringgit. Now, because the both legs are pairing, you get a pairing bonus of 810 ringgit again. When you add that to your already amount, you see that by introducing two persons already, you have already made 4,230 ringgit in return. You joined with 4,500. You got a product worth 7,020 ringgit for free. Now you refer two people, you already got back 4,230 ringgit. I seriously think this is a good business. Now, this pairing bonus is compressed and infinite system, no time limit. You earn it continuously. And one other thing, the pairing bonus is not instant. You earn the pairing bonus daily. By 8 a.m. Malaysia time, the pairing will calculate itself and you will be paid to your account. It's an automatic system. It calculates itself and it pays you by 8 a.m. Malaysia time. So let's use a smaller package for those that really don't have a huge capital to start. So let's calculate with the start package of 450 ringgit. What do you get? You get a product worth 585 ringgit for free. Product delivered to you. You get a Super Live World app. You can download through Google Store or Play Store. You get an international business account. You get personal ID, secret password. You earn up to 18,900 ringgit in a month. When you refer the first person on your left, the company pay you a sponsor bonus of 135 ringgit. When you refer another person on your right, you get another sponsor bonus of 135 ringgit. Now, because the both legs are pairing, you get a pairing bonus of 81 ringgit. In total, you see that you have already made 351 ringgit by referring just 2 persons on your leg. Now, you join this business with 450 ringgit. You get product for free worth 585 ringgit. You refer 2 persons, you already got back 351 ringgit, my brother and sister. This is a good business. And the pairing system is infinite and it goes continuously. Now let me show you the logic and how it works. Let's take for example, in two months, which is 6 weeks, 8 weeks, how much will you earn when you refer just only 2 persons and teach the 2 persons to refer 2 persons each? Let's see how much we are going to earn in 8 weeks. For example, this is you. You refer the first person in the first week. You refer the first person on your left in the first week, you get 135 ringgit. You refer another person in the same week, you get another 135 ringgit. That's equals to 270 ringgit. Now you get a pairing bonus. Don't forget, when 2 legs, when 2 stars are pairing, you get additional 81 ringgit. In total, you would have made 351 ringgit. Now this is your active job for 1 month. For 1 week. Now when you teach these 2 persons to do the same thing like yourself, taking the second week, when they duplicate, it's going to be 4. So what would you get? What would they get? They will also make this amount of money because this one introduced 2, this one introduced 2. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So the both of them will get 351 each. So what would you get? The company will pay you a pairing bonus of 162 ringgit. You add this to your money, you see you already have 513 ringgit here. Now this is just the second week. So when you and these 2 persons also teach these 4 people to do the same thing and introduce 2 persons each, you notice that it's going to duplicate to be 4 in the 3rd week. When 4 duplicate, it's going to be 8. So what would you get? These 4 people will also get this amount of money. The company will pay you 324 ringgit. You can see it has been added to your account. And also you see this 162 ringgit has been added to this both people's account. Everybody's account grows continuously. So let's speed it up a little bit. In the 3rd week or in the 4th week, when 8 duplicates, it's going to be 16. The company will pay you 648 ringgit. On the 5th week, when 16 people duplicate, it's going to be 32. So the company will pay you additional amount of 1,296 ringgit. In the 6th week, when 32 people duplicate, it's going to be 64. The company pays you additional amount of 2,592 ringgit. On the 7th week, when 64 duplicate, it's going to be 128. The company pay you additional amount of 5,184 ringgit. In the 8th week, when this 128 people duplicate, it's going to be 256. The company will pay you 10,368 ringgit. Now you can see everybody's getting paid, not you only. Your income is increasing, your downline, their money are also increasing. You or everybody here actually did their work in their first week only, just the first week. And if when your network grows continuously, you keep earning continuously. And when you decide to also refer people without stopping on these 2 persons, you also get an additional sponsor bonus. Remember, your sponsor bonus is not even included here. Now, when you add your sponsor bonus, depending on how many people you could refer, you end up making more than this amount of money even in 2 months. You see how the system works. Now let's compare both profile, a star package profile and a super package profile. Let's see how much we can make in 2 months by using the same logic, by introducing 2 persons, and also the 2 persons introduce 2 persons each. So let's speed it up a little bit because of time for you to understand. So you see everybody's income are growing. In the 8th week, the star package would have made 20,925 ringgit, while a super package would have made 209,970 ringgit. This is awesome. This is awesome. The active job, the only active job you did was just these 2. When these 2 do the same thing, let's just assume everybody does the same thing. This is the amount of money you make. And some people are actually business builders. They can actually do this. So this is the amount of money you make when you choose any of the package and you introduce 2 persons in the same package. You refer 2 persons in the same package immediately. This is the amount of money you make. With a super package, when you refer to super like yourself, you can take a month to do that. You can take a week depending on your capability. You notice that you get 94% back return on your investment, which means you join with 4,500 ringgit. You refer 2 persons, you get back 4,230 ringgit. You also get STC 24 bucks for free. While it's Supreme, you join 1,800 ringgit. You refer just 2 persons, you get back 1,584 ringgit. You also get back 8 bucks of super STC 30 for free. Why is star? And that is actually 88%. Why is star package? You join with 450 ringgit. You introduce 2 of your friends. You get back 351 ringgit. That's 78% in return. And you also get 2 bucks of STC 30. Why is starter package? You join with 250 ringgit, you refer 2 of your friends, you get back 153 ringgit, then you also get back 1 box of STC 30 product. Now, these are the leadership rank in Super Light World. First rank is considered a leader rank. When you make $5,000 for yourself, the company or the system automatically rank you a leader. So when you make $10,000, you are ranked a Sapphire leader. When you make $25,000, you are ranked a Ruby leader. When you make $50,000, you are ranked an Emirate leader. A Crown Diamond is $100,000. Double Crown Diamond is $150,000. A Triple Crown Diamond is $250,000. A Crown Ambassador is $500,000, and a Super Crown Ambassador is $1 million. It is now left for you to make that right decision. If you want to make passive income, come to Super Light, and I encourage you to take that bold step today and be happy to make money continuously.